If you're working with a lot of objects in Affinity and you want to select the ones that share the same properties, you might try clicking them one by one. That works, of course, but it can take quite a while. The good news is you can actually select objects with similar properties all at once in a super easy way. Here's how you can do it. Go to Layer, Select, and you'll see two options, Same and Layer. If you choose Same, you can select objects that have the same fill color, stroke color, fill and stroke color, stroke weight, transparency, and other matching properties. If you choose Layer, you can select objects based on their layer or object type, so you can quickly grab all art text, frame text, path text, tables, curves, open curves, closed curves, shapes, artboards, and more. For example, I have a bunch of objects here. If I want to select all the shapes with the same color, I just click one shape with the color I want to select, then go to Layer, Select, Same, Fill Color, and just like that, all the objects with that color are selected. From there, I can change their color, resize them, or make any adjustment I want all at once. Now if I go to Layer, Select, Layer, Art Text, it will select all the art text on my canvas. Then I can modify all of them in one go too. And that's how you can select objects easier and faster in Affinity. You can explore the other features and leave a comment if there's anything to share. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.